Are you ready to unlock the secrets to becoming rich in 2026? The future of income is online, and the skills you learn today can set you up for life. In this video, we'll explore 7 high-income online skills that can transform your financial future. Let's dive in. First up, we have digital marketing. With businesses shifting online, mastering SEO, social media, and email marketing can earn you over $100,000 a year. Start by taking free online courses and practicing on your own projects. Next, we have web development. As companies need websites, skilled developers are in high demand, with salaries averaging around $70,000 annually. Begin with learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through platforms like Codecademy. The third skill is content creation. If you can create engaging videos or write compelling articles, you can monetize through ads and sponsorships, potentially earning 6 figures. Start by building your portfolio on platforms like YouTube or Medium. Fourth, consider e-commerce. Selling products online can lead to significant profits, with top sellers making millions. Start by choosing a niche and setting up a store on Shopify or Etsy. The fifth skill is data analysis. Companies rely on data to make decisions, and skilled analysts can earn over $80,000 a year. Begin by learning Excel and basic statistics through online courses. Sixth, we have graphic design. With businesses needing branding and marketing materials, talented designers can earn upwards of $70,000. Start by mastering tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Finally, we have online coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer coaching services and earn a substantial income. Start by defining your niche and promoting your services on social media. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adapting to market trends. So, which skill will you start learning today? The future is bright for those who take action now.